We breathe air every day, but did you know that inside that air there is oxygen for hospitals, nitrogen for food packaging, and argon for welding. आज हामी बुझ्नेछौँ कसरी एयर सेपरेसन युनिट्सबाट यी ग्यासहरू अलग हुन्छन् भनेर. What is a air separation unit, ASU? An air separation unit or ASU is a plant that separates the major component of air, that is oxygen, nitrogen, and argon. The process is based on cooling air to extreme low temperature until it becomes liquid and then distilling it to separate the gases. Used in hospital, steel plant, electronics, food, and more. What's in the air? What's in the air? Normal air contains 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, and 0.9% of argon. Tiny amount of carbon dioxide and other gases. हामीले हामीले श्वास लिने हावा यति धेरै उपयोगी ग्यासहरूको मिश्रण हो. The main steps in air separation process. Air intake and filtration. Air is drawn from the surrounding and cleaned. Dust, moisture, carbon dioxide are removed. Compression. The air is compressed with multi-stage compressor. Then third step, cooling and heating exchange. The compressed air is cooled using heat exchanger, often in counter flow. ग्यासलाई चिसो बनाउने मुख्य काम यही सुरु हुन्छ. Liquefaction. Air is cooled below -180 degrees Celsius using the Joule-Thomson effect and refrigeration cycle. The air becomes liquid air. Fractional distillation. Liquid air is slowly warmed in a distillation column. Different gases boil off at different temperature. Nitrogen at -196 degrees Celsius boils off first. Argon -186 degrees Celsius in the middle, and oxygen -183 degrees Celsius at last. यही तापक्रमहरूले भिन्नता गर्दा हामीले ग्यासहरू अलग गर्न सक्छौँ. Where are these gas used? Oxygen is used in medical, steel cutting, combustion process, whereas nitrogen is used in food preservation, in inert atmosphere, tire inflation, and argon is used in welding, bulb manufacturing, lab shading gas. एकै स्रोतबाट यति धेरै उपयोग ग्यासहरू उत्पादन हुन्छ भने सुन्दा अचम्म चाहिँ लाग्न सक्छ है. अब तपाईलाई थाहा भयो एयर सेपरेसन युनिट कसरी काम गर्छ र हाम्रो जीवनमा कतिको महत्त्वपूर्ण हुन्छ. यदि तपाईले यो भिडियो उपयोगी लाग्यो भने लाइक, शेयर र सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिन नबिर्सिनुहोला. धन्यवाद.